How to block spam Venmo users. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to block the spam user on Venmo. For that, you must navigate to your profile within the app. So search for a spammer's username or tap their name from their transaction feed. You can then tap onto the three dot icon in the top right corner of the profile page. Alright, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select block or tap on block or often appearing in the red. You then need to go ahead and confirm or tap on block again in the confirmation window to finalize the actions. Now, they cannot send you a payment or more money request as well, and you will both be able to find each other in the search result, or you will both be unable to find it. And they cannot view or comment on any future payments. And if you share a Venmo group with that user, you will be removed from it automatically as well. So this way, you're supposed to block Venmo user. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.